Hello everyone and welcome to the Literacy Center Science Tutorial. This is Meghna and today we are going to talk about our place in the universe. So let's start. We know that the universe which exists in space is unimaginably big. It is beyond human imagination. In centuries gone by, early scientists thought that the sun revolved around the earth and that the earth was the center of the universe. In reality, it's quite opposite actually. We have since discovered that the earth revolves around the sun like all other planets in our neighborhood. And while we now know that the earth is in fact not the center of the universe, we understand now where in the universe we actually are. Well, kind of. Let's explore. Let's talk about the universe now. And let's find out where we are in the universe. The universe is made up of millions of galaxies. And a tiny part of this universe is a Milky Way galaxy. Our solar system is a small part of this Milky Way galaxy. And our beautiful Earth is part of the solar system. So now it's quite understandable how enormous our universe is. And if you look at this flowchart here, it will help you understand how big the universe is and what all it is made up of. Millions of galaxies make a universe. The Milky Way is one of them. The Milky Way is a galaxy and it contains many systems, and the solar system is one of them. And when we talk about the solar system, we know that it is made up of 9 planets, out of which Earth is one of the planets. So let's dig deeper and find out more about our solar system. Our solar system consists of our star, the Sun, and 9 planets. Everything in the solar system revolves around the Sun, and everything bound to it by gravity. The Sun is a star, a massive ball of hot gas that gives off light and heat. If we look at our solar system and look at the planets, the organization of the planets there, the closest planet to the Sun is Mercury, and you will see the farthest away is Pluto. Also, you will notice the biggest planet is Jupiter and the smallest planet is Mercury. Let's talk about some interesting characteristics of the planets we have in our solar system. First is Mercury. This is the closest planet to the Sun. It is the smallest planet and is made of rocks. It is so close to the Sun that it only takes 88 days for it to complete its orbit. Next is Venus. Venus is the next planet from the Sun after Mercury. It is also made of rocks. Venus is the hottest planet and has an average temperature of 460 degrees centigrade. It is about the same size as Earth and it takes 225 days to travel around the Sun. Next is our beautiful Earth. This is where we live. Earth is made of rocks and is the only planet where water is liquid. And Earth takes 365 days to travel around the Sun. That's 1 year, right? Next is Mars. Mars is a little smaller than Earth. Mars is reddish in color and is sometimes called the red planet. Mars takes 687 days to complete its orbit. And the average temperature on Mars is minus 63 degrees centigrade. Next planet is Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. This is something to remember. You could fit 1,321 Earths inside Jupiter. Can you imagine how large it is? It is made up of gas and has 66 moons, and it takes almost 12 years to travel around the sun. Interesting, isn't it? One of the interesting planets of our solar system is Saturn. Saturn is famous for its rings. The rings were first observed with a telescope in 1610 by Galileo. These rings are made up of huge numbers of small lumps of ice and dust. Saturn is the second largest planet in our solar system, and it takes 29.5 years to travel around the Sun. Uranus. You could fit 63 planets the size of Earth inside Uranus. Uranus takes 84 years to orbit the Sun, and it is the coldest planet with an average temperature of minus 220 degrees centigrade. Next is Neptune. Neptune is 30 times as far from the Sun as Earth and takes 165 years to travel around the Sun. Pluto. Pluto is smaller than our Moon, and it is a mysterious world that has valleys, plains, craters, and possibly glaciers on it. It is the ninth planet from our Sun, and Pluto has 248 years long oval-shaped orbit. It takes 248 years to complete one orbit around the Sun. Isn't it interesting? If you have any questions about this tutorial and you need any help, you can text us or email us and we can get back to you. Thank you.